Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I'm working on a Max Fox brake system on an electric bicycle, and I want to show you guys how to bleed these, because if you do it wrong and you get air in there, your brake lever is going to feel like crap. So let's get this figured out. So basically I have a bleed kit here, and it comes with attachments. So the bleed screw, okay, right here, it's a Torx. Okay, comes out of the caliper right here. Now I got the caliper off, I have the pads out, because I don't want the pads to get contaminated by any fluid. And this is mineral oil. This is tinted mineral oil. All right. So we have our pistons sitting inside of here, and with everything out in the system open like this, if you move the lever, it doesn't matter, because all the fluid is going to be released. There's going to be no pressure on the pads. So what we're doing here is I have a syringe with fluid. Now up top, same thing. I have the screw, the bleed screw out right here, and then I have this set up in here. Now this has a plunger on the top, so you can cap that off and you can take this cover off, okay, and it holds the fluid in there. So you're able to put this in, open the top. Now all you're going to do here is push fluid back and forth using the syringe. So I'm going to take the syringe, I'm going to pull the syringe out, all right, and you'll see bubbles coming out if there's any bubbles in here, and you'll watch the fluid up here, and the fluid will be going down. All right, and then you're just gonna, now I'm gonna squeeze it back in, and any air will come out of the top if there's any air in there, all right? You just do this a couple of times until you're confident there's no more air bubbles are coming out. And then take the bottom one here off and put this cap back in first. So I will take this, all right, set it like this right here, unscrew this, put the cap back in here. And by doing this, any fluid from the top reservoir will come out, and it'll keep pushing fluid out of this so air won't go in. Cap this one first, then go up top. And then you can just take that top cup off, take the fitting out, and then put your cap back in there. And these brakes will be solid. I just finished the rear here, and you can see how this one is. Nice. Solid as a rock, how it should be. All right, so let me get this one bled out. All right, guys, so when you're done, make sure you hose it down with some alcohol. I got a spray bottle. All right, and I'm just gonna hose this all the way down and flush everything. Make sure you got no fluid left on there. Get that nice and dry. I have this cap back in right here, as you can see, and then I'll go ahead and take the top one off when this is all dried up. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps you out. It's pretty simple. And if you want to do a quick one, if you're for your front, say, you can just do the top here and just move the lever back and forth. So put your top cap in, don't even touch the bottom one, and have this out. All right, and then just move your lever, and you see a bunch of air coming out, and that'll get it like 90% of the way. This way is going to get everything out the way I'm doing it here, and it'll be no air in the system. It's a completely sealed system, so it shouldn't be any air in there unless somebody opens it up. All right, so let's finish this up. But again, you can do this one the simple way. Just put the cup up here and then just move the lever and get any air that's coming in and out, and you'll be good to go. Anyway, hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair. All right, there we go.